Hey guys, this is Tanya. I teach CBSE Class 10 Maths and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Today we are going to be learning Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry, Exercise 7.2. Second question. Alright, now let's read the question. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining bracket 4 comma minus 1 close the bracket and bracket minus 2 comma minus 3. So this is the question. So they are talking about the coordinates. We are supposed to find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment. So now let's draw a line segment. So this is going to be a line segment. Okay, so in this line segment we have two values, that is, let us take it as a. So a value is 4 comma minus 1 and the b value is minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, so here they had mentioned a new word, that is trisection. So what is the meaning of trisection? So trisection means, for example, so here if I just draw 2 points like this, okay, if I just point 2 points, so here when you just look at this segment carefully, here we have a line and here also we have line and here also we have line. So here it is dividing into 3 equal parts, isn't it? So that is the meaning of trisection. So the line which is dividing into 3 equal parts, so here this is one part and this is one part and this is one part, that is the meaning of trisection. So whenever you get a word trisection, to put 2 points so that it will divide into 3 parts. So trisection, tri means 3. Okay, alright. So now we have 3 equal parts. Okay, so since we are supposed to find the coordinate, we need the ratios, isn't it? So how to find the ratio? It is literally easy, guys. So again I'll draw the line segment for a better understanding. Okay, I'll draw a little bit big. Okay, so here it is a value is 4 comma minus 1 and here the b value is, I am just doing the same thing, and here it is minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, so I just divided the into 3 equal parts, 1 2 3. Okay, all right. So here now, since we need the ratio, it is literally easy to find the ratio. Okay, so how means, so here I have 1, isn't it? So here I have 1. So here for this point, what will be the ratio? So for this point the ratio is going to be 1:2. Why it is 1:2? Why? Because here when you see we have 1 part and here if you see we have 2 part, isn't it? That's why it is 1:2. So this side we have 1 and this side we have 2 parts. Okay, likewise here what will be the ratio? So here the ratio is going to be 2:1. Why? Why? Because here when you just check it out, we have 2 parts and that's why it is 2, and here we have only 1 part. Look at this side. So this side we have 1 part and this side we have 2 parts. That's why it is 2:1. Okay, so now let us take this point as P and let us take this point as Q. Okay, so we are supposed to find the coordinates for P and we are supposed to find the coordinates for Q as well. Okay, so it is literally easy to find. Just apply the section formula. Okay, so first now let's apply the section formula. Okay, so this is the section formula, and one more question is, according to the question we are supposed to find the coordinates, but here we have 2 points, that is P and Q. So you are supposed to find the coordinates for P as well as Q. Okay, so first I am going to find the coordinates for P. Okay, so let's write Pxy is equal to, so we'll apply the formula and we'll just solve it. Okay, all right. So now no doubt, right? So now let us solve it. Before solving that, we need the x1 value, x2 value, those stuffs and all we need, right? Okay, so here according to the question we have a is 4 comma minus 1 and b is minus 2 comma minus 3. So let me write it. So a is 4 comma minus 1 and b is minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, so in these two values. This is going to be x1 and this is going to be y1 and this is going to be x2 and this is going to be y2. What about the ratios? So here what is the m1 value and m2 value? So the m1 value, since we are supposed to find the p coordinate, so here the ratio is 1:2. How? Here we have 1 and here we have 2 parts. That's why it is 1:2. So let us take m1 as 1 and m2 as 2. So now we can apply these values in this formula. Okay. So first we have m1. So m1 value is 1. Wait one second. So p x comma y is equal to, so m1 value is 1 into x2 value is -2 and then plus m2 value is 2 into x1 value is 4 and divided by m1 plus m2. m1 is 1 plus m2 is 2 and then comma m1 value is 1 and then into y2 value is -3 and then plus m2 value is 2 into y1 value is -1 and divided by 1 plus 2. So now let us solve it. So 1 into -2 is -2 and 4 2s are, it is 8. So plus 8 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3 comma 1 into -3 is -3 and then plus 1 into minus 1 into 2 is -2. Okay, and then divided by 3. See, minus 1 into 2 is -2. Okay, so don't get confused. All right, so plus and minus is minus. So 8 minus 2 is 6 divided by 3 and then comma and then comma, so -3 and plus and minus is -2 by 3. So is equal to 6 by 3 comma, so minus and minus is plus, so 3 plus 2 is 5 and divided by 3. So now we can actually cancel 1 3 is 3, 3 2s are 6, isn't it? Okay, so now finally we got is equal to, one second. Okay, so now is equal to, we got 2 comma 5 by 3. So this is going to be our p coordinates. Okay, so p coordinate is 2 comma 5 by 3. Okay, so this is our answer. So guys, since we found the p coordinates, that is 2 comma 5 by 3, so I'll just write it here. Okay, so p coordinate we just found it as 2 comma 5 by 3. Okay, now let us find the q coordinates. For that again we have to apply the section formula and we have to find it. Okay guys, so I just wrote the section formula. So here again what is the x1 value, x2 value, those stuffs and all. So here, so one second, I'll show the question. So since you guys know, here the ratio is 2:1, isn't it? For q we took the ratio is 2:1. Why it is 2:1? Why? Because here we have 2 parts and here we have 1 part. 2 is from these 2 parts and 1 is from this part. Okay, that's why the ratio for q is 2:1. What about the x1 value, those stuffs? So we are going to be taking a and b, how we took it in the previous one. Okay, so here the a value is 4 comma -1 and the b value is -2 comma -3. Okay, so here this is going to be x1 and this is going to be y1 and this is going to be x2 and this is going to be y2. What is the m1 value? So the m1 value is 2 and the m2 value is 1. Okay, why? Because we are finding q, right? That's why. Okay, so q x comma y is equal to, okay, so m1 value is 2 into x2 value is -2 and then plus m2 value is 1 into x1 value is 4 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 1, and then comma m1 value is 2 into y2 value is minus 3, and then plus m2 value is 1 into y1 value is minus 1, okay, sorry, minus 1, and divided by m1 plus m2, so 2 plus 1, okay, alright, is equal to, so 2 2s are 4, so here minus is there, so minus 1, and then plus 1 4 is 4, and then divided by 2 plus 1 is 3, comma 3 2s are 6, here it is minus, so minus 6, and then 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, okay, so when we solve it, no, we'll get minus 1 only, and 2 plus 1 is 3, okay, and then is equal to plus and minus is minus, so 4 minus 4 is 0, so divided by 3 no need to write, why, because anyways 0 divided by 3 is 0, isn't it, okay, and then comma, so minus and minus is plus, so 6 plus 1 is 7, so since it is minus, so minus 7 divided by 3, okay, so finally we got the q coordinates, so these are the q coordinates, then we can write q 0 comma minus 7 by 3, so these are the q coordinates, I'll write here, so the q coordinate is 0 comma minus 7 by 3, okay, so finally we found the coordinates, so this is our answer, okay, this is how we find the coordinates.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.